Well, today we solve a problem.
Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No times, no change, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you know.
I have Starlink, but it's not mounted to the van. It's freestanding. Now, that's good because I can put the Starlink away from the van, get a clear shot of the sky, but running power to it's kind of sketchy. I had been running a 12-volt socket outside with a step converter that goes with a 12-volt plug, but they kept slipping apart. I wanted something that actually had the proper Starlink socket. Let me show you what I did. Okay, internal to the van, over here to put the pass-through is in the wheel well. Up here is up above the electrical cabinet. Over here is where Starlink or StarCool runs. Down here's the floor. The only option I had was through here. Now there's the Anderson connector. That's my standard 12-volt socket. My Anderson connector for solar. And here is the Starlink socket. I'm not sure I need the cover since it's covered up already, but that will give me a nice tight connection. The step converter is now inside the van and fused, going direct to the battery. Now, I'm not going to lie, with everything in there, it's a tight fit, but it all fits. So that's all that counts. That 12-volt socket, certain plugs just like slipping out of it and it becomes disconnected. You might have noticed that I had a Velcro strap on it. That's to strap it to whatever the 12-volt accessory with the plug is. That way I can try to keep them together. But, well, this also gives me the added advantage. I can run an external 12-volt water pump without having to poke yet another hole in the side of the van. So, all right, that's it for this project. That one was quick and easy. I have some rust issues on the rain gutters I'm going to try to tackle here real soon. That's going to require some grinding, some OSFO, and some Bondo. I don't know how to weld, so I can't really weld patches in. So I'm going to do the best I can do. I don't know. We'll find out.
But here by the river, I feel like I'm alive. Nature's heartbeat, nature remains.